Page 62, this is the one at the bottom of the page. There's no title or nothing, so we'll just go with it at the bottom of the page. It's, again, harmonizing. We've got to figure out which chords fit this melody based on the notes in the melody at the time. You find notes in the melody that are in the chord, and if that works, that's a possibility. Although since different chords can have the same notes, it could be more than one chord. So you try out the different ones, and the one that sounds better, that's the one you use. So first get the melody down. Now we're at 1 sharp, so it's either in G major or E minor. If you look at the end, we're ending here, so I'm guessing we're in E minor. 4/4 time now. 1. I'm taking advantage of the repeated note to change hand position. 4. That's kind of handy because it turns out both lines, the melody's the same. Well, that means the chords are probably the same. They don't have to be, but probably they're going to be the same. Now the primary chords, because that's what we're studying. So we're in E minor. There's 1 chord. The E minor has 1 sharp. See? Otherwise it's the white key. The 4 chord, 5/7. We're using a harmonic minor. So those are the chords. So now which chord goes where? Well, a chord with each line under the staff. And I got a C in here, and here, and an A. And A is in the 4 chord. And here is the F sharp. Remember that 5/7 has an F sharp. Those are basically the chords. I can probably do the same thing in the left or in the second line. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, it's close enough. They give you patterns for these that you can use rather than just block chords if you want. Like they're telling you play half notes. Up above it was a broken pattern. Well, I'll try that broken pattern here. What's it do? Whatever. Experiment and have fun with it. The key word is have fun with it. Then they want you to transpose this to D minor in case you're not having enough fun yet. So D minor is simply 1 step down from E minor. D minor is relative to 1, 2, 3, F major, which has 1 flat. So now we're going from 1 sharp to 1 flat. So I'm going to play the notes in D minor, which will include a B flat. So in the chords, it's the 4 chord has it, or this, whichever. And it's harmonic minor, C sharp. And then the melody, well, I just take everything down a step. So instead of an E, it's a D. And I'll just play the notes in D minor, which is all white keys except for the B flat. And maybe a C sharp if we get one. That's it. Okay, then I put it with the chords I got. 4 chord. 1 chord. So much for that. Yeah, whatever. Some other key too if you want to try it.